Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making dates and walnut cake, which is absolutely perfect for tea time. Well, don't forget to click the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please remember to click the subscribe button. Thanks very much for that. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it and let's get baking. To begin this recipe, I'm using 70 grams of dried dates. Now, dates are absolutely healthy and naturally sweet, which is really perfect for this cake. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking off the middle seeds and putting them aside just to make sure that we have them seedless, perfectly ready for the cake. I'm going to weigh it and make sure it's exactly 70 grams. Now what I'm doing now, I'm using 30 grams of walnuts, and I'm going to very finely chop them into some middle chopped pieces. I'm going to set this aside once it is nicely chopped. Once that's ready, I'm going to go straight into the walnut, which is quite sticky, which is why I left it to the last, and then I'm going to very medium chop them. I've got that natural sweetness, which is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to chop them and set it aside. And in the meantime, we're going to begin making the cake batter. So we're needing 3 eggs for this cake. I'm going to be using 3 large eggs. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 70 grams of soft brown sugar. I'm also going to add 50 grams of powdered sugar. I'm now going to whisk this all together until it's very foamy, between 9 to 10 minutes. It's going to be very foamy and absolutely light in texture. So I've whisked this for about 10 minutes and it's absolutely perfectly light and fluffy in texture. To this I'm going to add my butter and I'm going to whisk it for just about 30 more seconds. Now I'm going to use 1.5 cup of self-raising flour. I'll add to this a pinch of salt, and I'm adding also 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'll just sieve it straight into my batter. I'm going to very gently fold it all in together. Just be gentle with the folding just to make sure we maintain our nice and fluffy texture. Once that's ready, I'm going to add the chopped walnuts, and also I'll add the chopped dates. I'm going to also combine these together and just fold it in gently. Once it's all folded in, I'm going to bring in my baking tin. I'm using a 20 centimeters baking tin, and I'll make sure to grease proof it. Now once I've grease proofed my tin, I'm going to now pour in all of the cake batter straight into my baking tin. After pouring all of the batter into the baking tin, I'm going to use a stick to run along the whole tin just to make sure everything is layered proportionately. Now I'm using a few more chopped walnuts just to put as a topping on top of the cake, and we're ready to bake. This cake is going straight into the oven, and we're going to bake it for exactly 40 minutes at 177 Celsius. It's been about 40 minutes later and the cake is absolutely baked and we're ready for tea. I will advise to leave the cake to cool down completely before you can open it and put the kettle on and have a lovely tea time special. I'm gonna close my eyes just for a millisecond and pretend as if I'm eating this cake all by myself. But oh no, I've got a whole family right beside me just waiting for me to switch off the camera just so they can get in there and devour this cake all at one munch. So I'm going to say thank you all so much for stopping by and for baking along with me. I hope you can try out this recipe sometime. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll definitely see you again next Friday. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching. Goodbye.